This one mathematical expression can help you find the love of your life and possibly even your dream home. Imagine this, you're hiring for a job and you have 100 candidates. You interview them one at a time, and after each interview, you have to decide whether to accept them or to reject them forever. You aren't allowed to go back to anybody that you passed on previously. Your goal in this situation is to pick the best overall candidate. Now, why is this situation so difficult? Well, if you pick somebody early on, then you may be missing out on a better candidate later down the line. And vice versa, if you wait too long to make a decision, you could have already missed out on the best possible candidate. So the question is, when do you stop waiting and actually choose somebody? Math tells us that there is actually an optimal strategy for this. Out of 100 candidates, you should reject the first 37, regardless of how good they are. And then, starting with candidate 38, you should accept the first person who outperforms everybody before them. The first 1 over E, or 37%. X is a sort of sample market. By interviewing them, you're able to learn what good actually looks like, and then set your benchmark accordingly. And then, instead of chasing perfection, you grab the first, clearly above average option. Your odds will be approximately 37% that you grab the best possible candidate. Now, although that seems rather low, it's actually the best your odds get in this particular scenario, according to mathematics. Now, there's a lot of math that goes into finding this sweet spot, but to make it simple, for every person you evaluate, the value of gaining additional information gets lower, whereas the risk of having already passed up the best possible candidate grows higher. 1 over E is the sweet spot here. One of the places you can apply this concept in your own life could be dating. You can date around early and then commit to the first person who clearly beats everyone that came before. Yeah, kinda wild advice, but another place where this concept applies really well in your own life could be house hunting, where you're looking for a new place to live. Look at a bunch of places to get a lay of the land, and then grab the first one that's better than all previous options. Some important caveats here. This only works if 1, you already know how many options you have at your disposal. 2, you can rank them clearly. And 3, you have to decide immediately with no option to go back. Real life is a lot messier, so use this as more of a guideline than an actual rule. The big takeaway here is that you're not trying to find the perfect option. You're trying to balance learning versus acting. And that's why